Happy Monday, y'all! Come with me as we go buy some groceries. But first up, Pañeros! Time check, it's 4:12. So, kain muna tayo. Wala pa tayong kain simula kahapon ng 3 p.m. So, let's go, let's eat! I'm pretty sure na familiar na naman kayo dito sa Pañeros kasi lagi ko kayong dinadala dito. This is one of my favorite spot na kainan dito sa Santa Cruz. So, come on! Super maulan na naman. But yeah, now we are here. So kung i-compare ko siya sa kainan sa Balayan, ito yung parang kamayan sa Dike, Pañeros Place. Pero wala lang silang ribs. More on ihaw-ihaw sila. And ngayon, I'm craving for some inihaw na tilapia. So I'm excited! Something that I miss in Balayan is kamayan sa Dike. And their spicy ribs. Tapos may mga kubo-kubo din sila. Very kamayan sa Dike talagang atake. So on our way kanina, nag-picture kami sa isang place. Super cute. And my photos turned out really, really nice. So just wanted to share it to you guys. So if you haven't followed me on my Instagram yet, do follow me on my Instagram. It's gonna be here at Lena Lorraine. Also follow me on all my social medias at Lena Lorraine. Everywhere's at Lena Lorraine. So just a quick plug. Also did film the TikTok video. Hindi ko pwede ilagay siya dito kasi baka mag-copyright. So yes. Food is served, you guys. We have tilapia, chop suey, and torta. This is torta and cabbage with giniling. So cute. Tilapia. Torta. So fucking good. And then we have chop suey. Having some chili oil. Yummy. Ang sarap ng chili oil. Ending it with buko juice. Fresh buko juice. So yummy. Let's naman dito and then we're off to Sunstar. So I'll see you there. First stop, bili ng saging. For potassium. Because we should be looking out for our health. Okay, change of plans. Punta muna tayo ng Allsave. Baka kasi may mga special deals sila. Minsan kasi may mga promo dito eh. So, check natin. Let's go. Okay, we're here. Let's go grab some milk. Yeah. Wala silang mga bagong frozen. Sad. Paper plate. Kasi tabat kami magpugas. Wala, magkano yan? Sukang manyaman. 104? Sige, kunin mo yan. Wala na tayong mantika. Kuha ka ng mantika. Ketchup. Pan chicken wings.
Hot sauce.
Doon na tayo sa Sunstar bumili ng hot sauce. Kuha na din tayo ng mouthwash. Pantanggal mabahong hininga. Hindi pwedeng maganda lang at mabango din ang hininga. Panghugas ng kamay. Isa lang. Okay, we're done. Time to check out. Magkano po yung lalagyan? Ay, 15. Let's go! All saved down. Next stop, Sunstar. We're here. If you're an OG from taga Santa Cruz, you would know na ito yung kauna-unahang mall ng Santa Cruz. Like, legit. So, nakasanay na namin na dito lagi pumunta for groceries and stuff. Kasi easy access for everything. We also have Metro Central. Pero, hindi namin feel. Kasi last time yung mga manok na nabili namin, so maliliit eh. Dito sa Sunstar, laging fresh at malalaki. So, dito na lang kami. So, ihanap na kami ng parking and I will see you guys there. Sunstar! This is not sponsored. But Sunstar, if you want to sponsor me, then why not? Period. We're now inside the mall. Hanapin lang natin ng tito ko, baka nandito siya. Wala ang tito JM, so punta na lang tayo ng Walter. Diretso na tayo para makapamili na tayo at makauwi ng maaga. Ngayon, kit naman ng Christmas tree kulay white. 859. Maliit ay 550.
Tapos babalot mo din yung...
Oo nga. Eh kasi saan natin lalagay?
Ha?
Saan natin nilalagay na part? Kakasya kaya dun sa ano? Hindi, yung kakasya kaya dun sa may sa hagdanan, yung nawala ng halaman. Walter Mart. Drumstick na lang po. Mga 1.5 kilo po. Magkano po sa Taipei?
384 po.
Sige po. Tsaka po chicken wings. Let's look for frozen. Ah, yung fish and chips. This one's good. Tikman ko na ito. Masarap siya. Uy, bangus belly. Kuya, yung ano po, yung kasim po, pero yung wala po masyadong taba. Mga pang season. Kuya, balikan na lang po namin. For our chicken wings and our fried chicken. Air fried chicken. not fried chicken. Wala na tayong paprika. Ubus na din nating paprika. Paminta, meron pa tayo sa bahay na crispy fry. Wala pa tayong crispy fry, tsaka harina. Wala na tayong hot sauce. Wala nga malaki eh. Ito na yun eh. Kuha tayo ng 4. Oops. Let's go get some harina. What is this? May nakita siyang patis balayan. So, hindi na kami pupunta ng balayan for the patis. Galing ng Sunstar ha, kompleto. Ultimo gamit ng balayan meron. Dove. Buti na alala mo, wala nang Dove. This is really nice after my kojic acid soap. This one's good. I don't know why it doesn't look so aesthetic habang nag-grocery ako. But some other content creator looks so aesthetic. Cornstarch for our chicken wings. And then our flour. I get so shy talking kasi ang daming tao sa likod ko. But as I was saying, other content creators, they can pull off a very aesthetic and therapeutic grocery haul or like doing my grocery video. But for me, parang it looks so pilit and cringe. I don't know why. But what to do? Let's make it work. Because what better way to start than now, right? And habang walang tao, I'm taking this opportunity to do this shot because wala makakakita. What else is on our list? Tilapia, hindi tayo makakabili kasi wala dito. Ano yan, butter? We have chicken, the breast, the wings, the pork. We have the harina, the seasoning packet, and then hot sauce and ketchup. Okay, so that's it. Okay, I think we're all good. So let's go check out.
Once again,
Yeah!
double extra from
Habang nag-iimot-imot ako dito, muntikan din namin makalimutan yung pork tige kasi hala namin nasa amin na. So, pick upin lang namin and then we're gonna go check out. Kuya, okay na po? Na-chop niyo po kaya ng maliliit? Adobo. Thank you. Buti na lang wala masyado ng kapila. Let's go! Miss, pwede po dito? Wala. Box na lang po. Guess the bill. Guess the bill tayo ba? So, I'm thinking it's about 3.5? 3.5. Dami kasi natin frozen na binibili. Buti naman they're not judgy. Like, they're not looking at me in like an awkward way. They're not worried out on how I'm showing myself. And it's also a good thing that I have this microphone. At least kahit kausapin ko sarili ko, parang may kausap lang ako sa headphones, right? So that's so nakakahiya.
double check all 3, 4, 6, 5, 1, 8.
Okay, I want you guys. The bill is 3.4 plus, so almost 3.5, so tama ako. Eto pa.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Sige pa. Ate, pwedeng iwan ko na lang yung cart dito. Baka naman makopyright tayo. Robert, parang gusto kong bilhin yung Christmas tree. Ha? Pero kakasya kaya yan dun sa sinasabi kong part?
Oo, tatanggalin natin yung halaman.
I feel like I wanna buy this. So, tamang-tama sa Christmas. Okay, I'm sold. Bilhin na namin siya para sa bahay. Okay, let's do a quick fit check before we leave. I'm here at the bench. Magsa-selfie lang tayo. Flex ko lang suot ko, yeah. Shoes is from Puma, shorts is from Nike, top is from Calvin Klein, headband is from TikTok Shop. I have to go home now, you guys. I'm gonna just put this on the side na lang. Bye, cart. Bye, mom. Last stop for the day. Dali, dali, hey! Hanap tayo kung meron tayong mabibiling crispy pata. Kasi last time nakabili si Robert ng crispy pata. Hello! Walang crispy pata, pero may chicharong bulaklak. Yummy! Sabi ko pa. Chicharong bulaklak. Kuha ka. Hawakan mo. Mga 5? Sarap yan eh, pampulutan. Or 6. 6 na natin. Yummy. Kung ano pa naman importante, yung pa nakalimutan namin kanina. Kalimutan namin bumili ng bigas. Pero kuha muna tayo ng kimchi. Last 2. Avail ko na to. And then, kumuha na din ako ng kanilang hash browns. Super recommended ko to. Sarap to, promise. Air fry nyo lang and then boom. Eggs, bigas, kimchi. Pinakuha na tayong kimchi, so eggs and bigas na lang. Let's go. Let's get to parang hindi na tayo pabalik-balik. And finally, eggs and we're done.
Mami, alwas ko lang po ha.
Sige po.
Thank you.
Okay. We are back, ladies. So, here are the damage. Totoo nga ang kasabihan na 6 days kang nasa bahay, walang gastos, tapos 1 day dating na sobrang OA naman sa gastos. But anyways, this grocery will last us for like 2 to 3 weeks kasi dalawa lang naman kami dito. So, we have a lot. We have a lot of stock ng food. Tapos mayroon na din tayong konting nabiling toiletries and then some other things. We did laundry earlier, by the way. So, ayan, nakapag-laundry din tayo. Super dami namin nagawa, very productive, and pwede na ulit kami hindi lumabas ng bahay ng ilang araw. So, yeah, very exhausting, but we did a lot of things. So, yeah, I'm going to be ending my vlog here now, sisters. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more, please do like, follow, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you soon, sisters. XOXO. Bye!